The 2007 Dodge Caliber. The Dodge Caliber is unique inside and out. Its sassy, smart exterior styling combines with numerous clever interior features, such as a flip-out iPod holder and a chilled glove box compartment. You'll love the smoothness of the transmission and the quietness of the cabin. A joy to drive, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive, power door locks, power windows, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.